Welcome. Today, we're diving deep into Niche Scraper, a powerful tool for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Niche Scraper lets you identify profitable products for your online store by scraping popular e-commerce websites. It helps you identify trending products, analyze their performance, and even provides video ads for the products. It's a comprehensive solution for finding profitable niches and products, giving you a competitive edge in the e-commerce landscape. Let's talk about key features. Niche Scraper offers a product scraper that identifies hot products from various e-commerce platforms. With the store analysis feature, you can analyze successful stores' metrics. The handpicked feature provides a curated list of top-performing products, while the video ad maker lets you create compelling product videos. Lastly, the Pro membership offers exclusive access to the latest trends and products, plus a Facebook audience builder. Now let's discuss pricing. Niche Scraper offers two options: a free membership with limited features and a Pro membership priced at $39.95 per month. The Pro membership unlocks all features, including unlimited access to the product scraper, store analysis, hand-picked products, video ad maker, and Facebook audience builder. It's a monthly investment that can yield significant returns if used effectively. Who can benefit from Niche Scraper? It's ideal for e-commerce entrepreneurs seeking profitable products to sell. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced seller, Niche Scraper can help you identify trending products, understand your competition, and create engaging video ads. It's also beneficial for dropshippers seeking insight into successful stores and products. In essence, Niche Scraper can be a game changer for anyone in the e-commerce space. What are the advantages? Niche Scraper saves time by doing the heavy lifting for you. It helps identify profitable products, gives insights into successful stores, and assists in ad creation. The curated list of hand-picked products is a goldmine for sellers. The tool's user-friendly interface and comprehensive features make it a powerful ally for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Plus, the Pro membership provides exclusive access to invaluable resources. However, it's important to consider the limitations. The free version of Niche Scraper is quite limited, pushing users towards the paid version. Also, while it offers a lot of data, it's up to you to interpret and use this data effectively. The tool doesn't guarantee success. It's a tool, not a magic wand. Therefore, it requires a strategic approach and understanding of e-commerce to get the best results. Here are the key takeaways. Niche Scraper is a comprehensive tool for e-commerce entrepreneurs, offering a wealth of features to help find profitable products and niches. The pricing is reasonable, considering the potential ROI. It's ideal for both newcomers and experienced sellers. While it has some limitations, the advantages far outweigh them, making it a worthy investment for anyone serious about e-commerce. To conclude, Niche Scraper is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your e-commerce strategy. It provides invaluable insights and resources, helping you stay competitive in the dynamic e-commerce landscape. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, happy scraping!